what's up? This is your boy Ben from Bedroom's Tech Web, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can install Windows XP mode on Windows 7. As you see here, that's what I am using. So yeah, let's do it. So basically what you need to do, obviously, just okay? We're going to make a new Google Chrome window. Here is that new Google Chrome window apparently. So, let's get to it. What you're going to need is, I'll try and put the links in the description. I can't guarantee anything, but I'll try. Just so you don't have to go searching through, browsing through search engine trying to find it. Number one, you're going to need Windows Virtual PC. And now, you're definitely going to need that because that's basically what it runs through. Now, wait for it. Yeah, there we go. Now, Microsoft. Download the one from the download you want. What is the problem? Jeez, what's the problem? I'm just trying to. Why is that flickering? There we go. Alright, here we go. So Windows Virtual PC, you have all this. Microsoft Download Center. Just click Download. Take you to, and now just click select all, I think, and then click Next. I did this one time. It's a while ago though, so I'm not like totally sure how to do this. And that's basically it. If you're a business or something, and there's a program you use on Windows XP that's not on Windows 7 or any other later version of Windows, anyway, so you can use this and go through it. It's not using VirtualBox, it's actually, like, using, alright, so. Okay, so cancel this one. And now we're also going to go here and just, my hard drive space doesn't have the full space of the hard drive because I also have Linux. Ubuntu Mate running on it, so it's 2D configuration, so this might be not be as fast, and it's designed for Windows XP, so there we go. Alright, so now we're also going to need Windows XP. Might work for Windows Vista, and it's not going to work for Windows 8 or 10. Definitely not. So what we're going to do here, just do that, Windows XP mode. And now you want to download this thing. Download again. Because I have a screen recorder running. Yeah, I have to record your screen. Alright. You want to select all these. Now, click next. And we're going to wait for these to download. And now this shouldn't take long. So anyway, what you want to do is go and cancel. We're gonna go here. This one. Just gonna open it up. Preparing the installation and searching for updates on this computer. I'm pretty sure I'm up to date doing this. Yeah, I do. Except I don't know what to install. But yeah, so we're doing this. Windows XP mode can take a while. But basically, you don't really have anything to show you. It will take a while, and then this is basically just download video, a quick little thing that I'm uploading because I don't think I can cut if I'm only using the free version of the screen recorder. So basically, we'll install and then basically have to go through and do it. And it says, oh yeah, Windows Virtual PC doesn't work. Don't bother with it. There's nothing that didn't work on it. It's just I have to go and do the Windows XP mode. Once that works, and I'll make it on my desktop. And then it should work. And bam, there you go. And you have yourself, you just click and it opens up. So yeah, this is video 1. Only like a 5-minute video. So I'll see you guys in part 2. Ben from Bedroom's Tech Web signing off, where I'll be taking a look at Windows XP. Goodbye!